Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between TradingView or MultiCharts. And in this comparison video, I want to make clear two things. The first thing is I won't tell you which application is better because trust me, both applications are great. I will tell you which application fits you the best. The second thing is I made more than 1,500 videos about crypto brokers, settings, options, futures, whatever you can think. And I will show you with my experiences with application fits you the best. So let's start right here with the comparison. And if you go here to TradingView, the main focus on TradingView is charting and analysis. The main focus on MultiChart is automated and professional trading. If we look right here to TradingView, TradingView is the best for traders and investors, and MultiCharts is the best for advanced traders. And if we look to the trading tools on both applications, TradingView has the industry leading charts. And with that I mean there is no chart better in my opinion than TradingView. So just for analysis, TradingView is very nice. And if you look right here to the MultiCharts, MultiCharts is also nice and they have a professional grade automation. So that is also very important to know. If you look to the interface right here, TradingView is more modern and intuitive, where MultiChart is more technical and customizable. Then if you go to the fees and